Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to look at the hard interview questions that are asked. Here specifically, I'm focusing on the job of financial officer or on the job of an accountant or any credit personnel or any person in accounting. So we are going to actually look at these hard questions that they look hard questions. These are questions that are actually specific to this job. They are technical in nature and they give you behavior or situations, and they would like you to give answers and try to reply to these questions. So today we are going to actually look at is what would you do if you discovered misuse of funds. This question can be asked at an interview panel. They actually ask you what would you do in case you're faced with a scenario whereby some personnel are misusing funds. So how would you answer this question? So first of all, I would verify the misuse. So you express yourself and you actually tell them, I would verify the misuse of these funds. By this, I would confirm or thoroughly check the financial records. And with this, I would actually ensure that I get these supporting documents and get and try to avoid misunderstandings or miscommunication, and ensure that there is actually no miscommunication or misunderstanding or errors, because we may find that this misuse is actually an error and not actually a misuse. So what I would do, I would first discover whether or verify whether there is actually a misuse through the different documents or the financial records, and know that maybe this is not an error. Check out the bank statement, check out the bank reconciliation, and check out. Then next, what I would report the issue immediately. After that, you try to express yourself. You tell them, I would report this issue immediately to my supervisor. For example, if it's an accounting job, maybe in a university, you're an assistant accountant, you would actually report to your supervisor, or you would report to the bursar or the financial team within the organization immediately. So you actually express to them that I would actually report this to the financial team or to my supervisor and notify them. In case there is an internal audit within the firm, I would actually inform them. Then next, what I would do, I would actually next what I would do I get the document evidence. This is where I get the different invoices, the approvals by the different personnels within the organization, the transaction records, when did they happen, who approved. So I keep on compiling evidence to prove that actually this misuse has happened. So that is how you would express that. Then after that, you would tell them that actually maintain confidentiality, because as an accountant, as a financial officer, one of the things or one of the principles that you have to do is the keep secrecy or confidentiality, as this secrecy here tries not to damage the reputation of the organization. Because if you go on speaking out or you share information with unauthorized personnel, it actually becomes gossip within the organization, and in the end it may even affect the reputation of the company, which we do not want. Another one is that actually assist in the investigation. You cooperate with the regulatory authorities. You express that you would try to cooperate with them, try to look where they want assistance, where they want explanation of the misuse. You actually try to explain to them as they try to trace these funds. So express that I, as a person, would actually help the personnel who have been set to check out this misuse and provide the available information to help in the investigation. Then afterwards, you would propose corrective measures. You would propose, maybe in case this person, after identifying maybe the reason why, maybe you would suppose that let him go for some disciplinary measures, or in case he has lost some money, you actually cut his salary by a given percentage so that he could actually pay for this money. And also I would also suggest other ways in order to avoid this fraud of this case. Maybe review the systems within the organization, tighten some systems. So that is how actually you can answer this question above. Please, if you've liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Thank you. Have a good night.